Save big on NAPA auto parts with exclusive coupons and promo codes. Are you ready to keep your vehicle in top condition while saving big on high-quality auto parts? In this video, I'll show you how to unlock the best NAPA auto parts coupons, promo codes, and discounts to make maintaining your car more affordable than ever. Step 1. Visit promosaver.net. Head to promosaver.net or click the link in the video description or comments below. This is your one-stop destination for unbeatable savings on all your NAPA auto parts needs. Step 2. Find the perfect discount code. Browse through a wide selection of promo codes and pick the one that suits your specific needs. Whether you're shopping for engine parts, tools, or accessories, there's a code waiting to save you money. Step 3. Apply your code at checkout and enjoy massive savings. Once you've chosen the best discount, simply apply it during checkout and watch the total price drop. It's fast, easy, and hassle-free. Imagine getting top-notch NAPA auto parts at a fraction of the price. Whether you're a car enthusiast or simply need reliable parts for routine maintenance, these discounts help you get the best for less. You'll enjoy unbeatable quality without overspending. Don't miss out on these incredible deals. Click the link now to start saving and give your car the care it deserves without breaking your budget. Your vehicle deserves the best, and now you can have it while keeping more money in your pocket. Start saving today with NAPA auto parts promo codes and experience the difference of shopping smart.